Should you focus on long or short form videos to grow on YouTube? This is a question that every creator asks while starting out on YouTube. So today I'm going to be breaking it down for you so you know exactly which one works best for you. Now, talking about short form videos. Okay, short form videos can blow up your channel overnight, but can they actually buy loyal subscribers? We'll find out. Now, long term videos, it can take time. Okay, long term videos can take more time to create, but are they the real secret to getting monetized on YouTube? Let's find out. All right, so you're welcome back. Now we're going to be looking at the pros and the cons, okay, of short form videos and long form videos. Okay, now we're going to be starting with the short form videos. What do you expect from short form videos? Okay, YouTube shorts are like they're like TikTok. Okay, very quick, addictive, and super powerful for reach. Yes, you can reach more subscribers with shorts. They are very quick. Some persons they like fast things and stuff like that. Okay, so they can just come in, watch it, maybe 10 seconds, 30 seconds video, and then they watch and they go. Now, what is the pros, okay, of these short form videos? It is easy to make, very very easy to make. Okay, it has huge potential for what virality. Okay, it can make you trend. It can help you to get discovered very fast. This is what short form videos can do for you. It can even give you subscribers. Yes, overnight, blow up your channel overnight. But now, let's see the cons of these short form videos. What it does is that most viewers or most views, okay, on short form videos, okay, swipe quickly. Yes, so they may not stick around, okay. Yet, short videos alone do not always build deep audience loyalty. Okay, those your viewers they do not stick around. They just come in and then zoom out. They come in, they zoom out. They're not loyal. Okay, that is the cons about short form videos. But as for making you go viral, making you get subscribers, good. But getting loyal subscribers who will stay, that is my take for that one. Now let's see long form videos. Now coming to long form videos, okay. Long videos, okay, are where real growth happens, okay, because the long videos, okay, the subscribers you have there, they are sure to stay. They are loyal subscribers. Now let's look at the pros of long form videos. Number one is this: it has high watch hour. Okay, high watch hour, or you can say high watch time. Okay, yes, it gives you stronger connection. Okay, with your audience. Okay, and it is better for monetization. Okay, and ads what pay ads. Okay, when you have a long form videos, YouTube can decide to run ads with it, but for short form videos, they don't. Okay, even if you have 3 million views, no ads, nothing. So for long form videos, you are sure to have connections with your audience, with your viewers. Okay, you are sure to build a very strong connection, have a high watch hour. Okay, unlike the short form. So these are the pros, I say. Okay, the pros for what long form video. Now coming to the cons of coming to the cons of long form videos. Okay, it takes it takes more effort to create. Okay, yes, these pros and cons is like advantage and disadvantage. So for long form videos, it takes more effort to create. Okay, it slows growth, okay, in the beginning compared to short. Okay, when you post your short in the beginning and just get 1K views, but when you post your long form videos in the beginning, you're getting like 10 views, 40 views, So it involves slow. Sometimes there is what we call slow growth, but this slow growth happens in the beginning, okay, yes, people are getting to know you, to trust you. Okay, it also helps to build trust because most persons don't believe short, but when they keep saying you in long form videos, it builds trust. So that is what I can say. Okay, so yes, the cons involves that it takes effort to create. You have to make videos, prepare for your plan your videos, write and then edit. It takes effort and then slow growth at the beginning. Now, the final point is this: which one is better? You may ask me, which one is better? But for me, I would say, okay, the honest truth here is that both of them is needed. Okay, yes, it is not about choosing which one is better or choosing one over the other. The fastest growing channel uses both. This is my candid advice. They use both, but here is the secret. They use shorts, okay, to get discovered. And then they use long videos to build trust and value and then keep coming back. Okay, yes, when they build trust and value, okay, their audience, they keep coming back. So they use short videos to get discovered and they use long videos to build trust and to get to their watch hours, to get monetized, and then to build strong connections with people. Now, finally, what I have to say finally is that if you are just starting out on YouTube, post shorts to attract new viewers, okay? But always guide them to your long videos. You can post short that has to do with your long video, okay? Tell them that they have to watch the long or the full video in your other long video. So post short but guide your viewers to your long videos. Okay, this is how you grow faster, okay, and build a loyal community on YouTube. Finally, you that is watching me, what about you? What do you prefer? Well, let me even ask you, which one do you prefer? Long form videos or short form videos? Let me know that in the comment section. And please, if this video helps you, do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button so that others can benefit from the video as well. And then stick around. See you in my next video. I'm still your friend Sylvia. Bye for now.